Alright, so I just took the eating element out of the way. It's the eating element here, and I just want to show you guys something. Take a look at all that was burning. Look at all that charred. This is inside the duct. Look how dangerous that is. It was actually a fire inside the dryer unit. If you're not, and look at all this sand. If you guys are not cleaning out your dryer vent properly or often, as suggested by the manufacturer, doing routine maintenance, this is just asking for trouble. This is very dangerous. This was caught on fire. You know, very dangerous. Look at all this lint buildup. You know, this doesn't give y'all peace of mind here. You know, if you guys haven't maintained your dryer, have it serviced, that just leads to a whole lot of other problems. You know, parts going defective, fire hazard. You know, so that's what we do here. We make sure your appliance is running like new and in optimal condition. All right, let me get this finished cleaned up.